Maraming Pilipino ang gustong yumaman pero karamihan walang long-term investing plan. Minsan excited kapag tumataas ang market pero kapag bumagsak, panic agad. Sa video na to, gusto kong i-share ang 5 tips na natutunan ko sa ating stock investing journey na makakatulong sa ating mag-build ng wealth the right way. Ready na ba kayo? Number 1, think long-term. Ang stock market hindi get rich quick. Think long-term, at least 5 years, pero mas maganda kung 10 years or more. Kapag long-term ang mindset mo, hindi ka masyadong affected sa short-term volatility. At mas maaga kang magsimula, mas malakas ang power ng compounding. Number 2, be disciplined. Ang tunay na investors, consistent yan. Hindi lang isang beses bibili ng stocks. Discipline means keep investing, keep adding, keep compounding. Kahit maliit, basta consistent, lumalaki yan over time. Number 3, don't be emotional. Kapag bumabagsak ang market, maraming investors natatakot at nagbebenta kagad. Pero ang experienced investors, alam nila na market crashes are normal. Instead of panic, think opportunity. Remember, the market rewards patience, not panic. Number 4, think generational wealth. Ang investing ay hindi lang para sa sarili mo. Think about future ng pamilya mo, education ng mga anak mo, financial freedom ng next generation. Ang ginagawa nating investments ngayon pwedeng maging legacy tomorrow. Number 5, think for God's glory. Ultimately, ang goal ng wealth hindi lang para yumaman. We want to be blessed to be a blessing. Kapag pinagpala tayo financially, mas marami tayong matutulungan. Everything we build should point back to God's glory. Kung gusto mong matutong mag-invest sa Philippine stock market step by step, lalo na kung beginner ka, you can join me at Truly Rich Club. Join ka dyan sa link sa description or pinned comment or sa profile ko or go na mismo sa mrfishvlogs.com. Let's grow our money with wisdom, discipline, and purpose. Like, share, subscribe, tapos comment mo dyan, tell me how kung gusto mong matuto. God bless.